Non-governmental organization and civil society organization are the backbone of nation building. And जब हम लोग विकसित भारत की बात करते हैं, so there is a very serious role, very sincere contribution we are expecting from the civil society organizations. This 5 days program organized by Vishwa Yuva Kendra is an effort to build the capacity of civil society organizations functionaries in the areas of compliance, in the areas of community mobilization, community participation, how to ensure the multi-sectoral approach, and that will lead to the contribution of Government of India, that is for Viksit Bharat 2047. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि इतने सारे सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के लोग जो इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किए, they are the passionate leaders and they learn from each other. Though there was a full-fledged curriculum, but they also learn from each other by sharing their experiences, by sharing the challenges which they are facing and the vision they are having for the coming years, coming days. And the most important thing which I observe is like their passion that yes, I have to do the best. They are also feeling proud whatever the contribution they have made in the field of education, in the field of women's empowerment, in the field of nutrition, health, sanitation. And the one important thing we discussed in this 5 days program is now the new areas, say for environment, how the climate change, the mental health, and mental health not only for the children, not only for the youth, rather the women, and the most important is like the caregivers, those who are providing all support to our children, our adolescents, but who is taking care of them. So that was one of the areas they felt that lots of efforts are needed, and they have prepared the plan accordingly with the help of so many experts, those who participated in this training program. And I must congratulate Vishwa Yuva Kendra for organizing this kind of meaningful program, meaningful engagement of more than 70 plus functionaries of civil society organizations, and they were here from the different parts of the country. So इस तरह की प्रोग्राम बहुत ही एक सशक्त भारत को मजबूत करने के लिए बल दे रहा है। और मैं जो कि सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से बिलोंग करता हूँ, मैं एक उज्जवल भविष्य को देख रहा हूँ जहाँ ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस सरकार के कार्य में, जहाँ पर उसको जितना ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिव बना सके, जितना ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट बना सकें, और साथ ही साथ उस कम्युनिटी को जितना से ज़्यादा इंगेज करें, जिससे कि एक हम इम्पैक्टफुल सस्टेनेबल प्रोग्राम को इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकें, इंश्योर कर सकें कि वो प्रोग्राम कम्युनिटी ड्रिवन हो, उस प्रोग्राम हमारे एडोलेसेंट्स हैं, हमारे यूथ हैं, वो उसको ओन कर सकें एंड दे विल टेक इट फॉरवर्ड. So I wish you all the very best to all the participants who were here from different parts of the country.